All right. Hello, everyone. Let me quickly check our audio and everything is fine. Then we'll start with our further implementation. All right. So till now, what we've learned is what we basically explored is we have UI now. Um, well, I think audio is not coming. Is it? Is it an issue? Cool. Now everything is fine. Let me close that. Okay, fine. So till now what we explored is in our previous live we were able to achieve this UI using Streamlit, and we were kind of confused at that time because from here we are using SSE, which is I don't know what's the full name. I think it's a um, server sent events, but let's say SSE chatbot, SSE LangChain. It's a LangChain feature. So LangChain is coming from. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's a open source orchestrator framework simplifying LLMs. What is this? Oh, what is SSE? Server sent events. Oh, it's an. But anyways, more of the story is we are trying to send chunks rather than sending all the response whole together. So this is what we use, like get chunk, and this is an event generator, and we are trying to send these events chunk by chunk using an HTTP method. So it's an API call itself. So SSC data line you see here, yield data line. From here we are sending data. Now the thing is that we were able to log our chunks here. Well, let's try. Okay, let's not just assume. Fine. So let me clear this up. Python main.py. Okay, our server is running here, and now in order to start Streamlit, again I forgot Streamlit command to run. I think it's a Streamlit run. Yeah, main. But I need to go. Yeah, I'm inside. Me do it later. Run dot slash app dot py. Okay, cool. So we have UI here. This one. If we just try to print this message, which is chunk data message. Yeah, let me just try to print message here. Let me actually restart this first thing. Who is, or let's say, what is Taj Mahal? So now expectation is it should give message as a chunk at the API side. Yeah, here you see. But this is entire message, I guess. This is a message. Yeah. The problem here is it's not sending data in chunks. It's just sending everything in one go, which is actually not good. Let me check, like, why do I get all the data in single chunk? I want to use SSC, because that's what the motive is, right? um, and send response. So that is our first foundational step, because if you consider our diagram also, right? This is our wait, where is this? I don't know why, but let me open that diagram. How do I open from device, and then, oh wait, let me remove that. Anyways, so let me I have just a second. I have image that's inside downloads, and yeah, here. Cool. So let me remove this. I don't need this. Okay, fine. Oh, that's a joke. Pictures, screenshots. Okay, fine. This is what I was talking about. So the ultimate goal is to send our data as a, okay, what yeah, okay, okay, this is our foundational step, right? Although we are using API, but there is a concept called SSC, which is sending chunks, not the exact output, right? And that's the improvement we need to add at the beginning itself. Reason being, now if you might have observed, we got this entire response in single go. That that's something we don't want. We want the response as a chunk. So let's see. You were getting one big chunk because your loop was efficiently reading agent level message output, which may arrive on at the end. Even the streaming is true. I updated the main notice, so now stream from the event version 2 emit SSC on chat model stream falls back to, and if the provider sends only final output, send the proper SSC termination events. Anti-functioning. Okay, what are we doing here? Tracing. Okay, human message we are doing version is 2. Then what else? Cache control, streaming the response. Headers request dot message. Okay, let's just try it. Fine. Let me restart my server. Let me. Okay, but yeah, how will we know that streaming is happening, right? Event name on chat stream end, and assist text is assistance. Okay, let's see if we can add some print logs here. I'll just undo this text. Yeah, I think it should be good. All right, good. Now, once again, if I write down something, let's say, who is MS Dhoni? Now, although we receive something at the, okay, just done, data done. Oh, I'm not seeing any. Why? I'm not seeing any response. SSC online. SSC event prefix each new line. One line. Okay, fine. That might not be hitting this chunk. Okay, let's go to the chunk. Okay, anyways, yield set SSC lines, yield exception, and then streaming response. Streaming response is coming from a fast API response. Okay, and then we have headers. we have event generator. This is something we have event generator. Um, Stream event. Okay. Agent dot stream events. Okay, that's what we are getting here. Agent event name. Okay. Chat model stream. All right. Data chunk. Okay, fine. Let's just try to print chunk if it is possible, or else on chat end, let's just try to print something here also, but on chat end, and this is something on stream. Fine. Then assistance. Fine. Chunk. Okay, we'll see that. We'll see that later. For now, let's just try to hit that. Currently we don't have any cache management, or you can say context management. We'll have to figure it out. That's why even if we ask same query again and again, it will not remember it. Okay, so event done, data is done. I don't know what is this, bro. Let me accept it first. Fine. Okay, let me actually inspect my network. Network. Okay, this is what is being called webhook. Fit okay, options, preview response, nothing. Event collected successfully. What is this? Oh, I think, anyways, event data is done. Uh, well, event generator, right? Event generator, stream response, chat. Why am I getting data done, data undone? uh, this pattern similar to OpenAI streaming. So the client knows streaming finished without guessing from pre-rendering data payload, such as, okay, okay, let's update front end. Uh, it's an issue with front end, I guess. Okay, we'll figure it out, like what we have changed in here. But first of all, let me create one GitHub. I don't have any GitHub for this, so that we can better manage our dependencies, right? Our progress. Just a minute, guys. I need to add my GitHub token. No, I want to try another way. Yes, on your phone tablet, let's say yes. Ah, but okay, I'll try it later on. Okay, but anyways, fine. So what they have done, let's try to figure it out. So whenever we will receive any response, right? This is okay. Call chat message stream token, SSC stream token. Yeah, that's correct. I don't need this timing now. Whenever raw line response, okay, fine. Let's just try to rerun this. What is Taj Mahal? I don't think my LLM has any context. I mean, of course, it doesn't have any context. It doesn't have any previous history or sort of um, thing. So let's just wait until we get any response. I still have doubt. This shouldn't be that long. No, it should not take this long. Response is okay. Chat message. What is fine. Oh wait, how long does this take? Who is Virat Kohli? Wait. Are we getting any response? No, right? Okay, we are receiving something. Event collected successfully. Fail to see the response. Okay. Okay. I don't know why it's not responding at all. API is not responding at all. Response. Okay. I'm pretty sure that the call is coming till this stage where the chat is here. After this, it is trying to stream response. Well, let me add some log at the beginning itself. User input, which is user input, and then the event, right? Event. Okay, print event name. Yeah, that's perfect. And let me run it again. Oh, what's that? Perfect. Uh, just run it, clear it. What is this, bro? Okay. So I receive user input and event name is on chain start, and it just stuck here. Okay, on chain stream end, but we have not received anything at the end. On stream end. Okay, now it's a time to print our output. Print output. SSC SSC line. This is something sending data back, right? If not exist, text does not. Why the text is not there? Oh, probably it's not going even there. It's not SSC lines. Something is wrong. Not sure why, but I'm not getting chunk. Okay. Okay. I received some output at least. Returning besides the nested. Right. Let me clear this terminal. Um, aim is to, I think this backend is almost finalized. You're likely very close. You quickly revise. Okay, fine. Do I need to restart my server again? Restart this. Okay. Oh, perfect. Perfect. You see, now there is some professional response we received. The thing is like, okay, let's just try to observe. What is Taj Mahal? Now see how the output is coming. It's coming in the chunks. Yeah, you see, this is my event collected, uh, payload response. But is it is it really using? But it's much better compared to previous one. It's using SSE. Yeah, for sure. It is using SSE, right? Because okay, and just to make sure like everything is working as expected, just to make sure that uh, where is the SSE streaming the response event generator, right? Sent a text, print uh, each new line prefix print a text. Let's see how many text response we get. Just one. Just one. Does this? Okay. Yeah, my expectation is like whenever we are sending or sending data, that time at least I'll have some logs. So just to make sure that data is returning in chunks. Yes, your observation is correct. That log means the connection is being used. You are returning streaming response with streaming events, but the back only one. Okay, the backend is emitting only one request. So the issue is not with SSC off, it is upstream produce final message, not taken deltas. Often emits an chain with a full final output. Big chunk. Want token by token streaming? Best fix is stream the LLM stream directly or from the models or the chain level agent event. This is the transport is yes. Token checking currently no. Final message. If you want, I can patch the main to use different LLM stream chat so that gets real increment. Just do it. I want chunk by chunk message. I hope it should not do any structural change. It should be minor. Let's see. Oh, it's not using create agent. Oh, that has to do with LLM itself. If you want, next I can add a second endpoint chat agent that keeps the tool agent behavior while chat stay true token stream. Let's get it. Let me write who is MS Dhoni. Oh, perfect, perfect. Now actually I'm getting this chunk by chunk loading. If you might have observed this, let's say what is Mumbai, or just observe how we are receiving the output, right? See, this is really awesome. Perfect. So now what has changed is okay. Let's try to just observe this. Where is it? SSC event data yield. Uh, LLM human response. Okay. Agent SSC. Oh, what is this? So we send this API. Where is it? Base model assistant text. Okay, this is important. We received chat, and as soon as we started event generator is this. Async chat chunk stream content is user input. Chunk is instance. Chunk Is instance. Where is this instance? What is this? Okay, what is this instance? Oh, okay, I think it's in build function. Chunk. Okay, we received it, and then yield dot. Okay, error. Okay, fine. Chat. Okay, fine. So we have at least one UI and everything is working fine. Let me initialize the repo. Uh, I want to set up get ignore. Set up get ignore. This many files are unrealistic, and this VNV folder is not required. It will be automatically been taken care by respective. Yeah, fine. I think it ignore. Fine, perfect. Not even environment file. Yeah. Save all commit changes, and then I'll just push it. Publish this branch. Publish the agentic AI repo. Okay, I want to keep it public or private. Yeah, let's keep it public for now so that you can also see it. Fine. Anyways, I'll share it with you later on. For now, it just okay. Okay. So as per the architecture, now it's time to move for ahead. Okay. Now, whenever user will type something and apply send some query, this query should have some rate limiting and auth feature. So auth feature we have already implemented it. Um, I think I need a auth provider, but Streamlit I need a. Okay, anyways, let's just start with auth generator. Oh wait, we can you can do it from here. We can reuse the login logic which was there earlier. Where was the login? Anyway, so okay, this is login. Okay, fine. Yeah, this one is login. Hotels. This type of login I need. Agent. I need a login and password that I'll match it with username. Username. HTTP verify user token. I think we should generate some kind of JSON token. Verify user token. Verify user token. Try if admin access token. Admin token type bearer. Yeah, exception 500. Perfect. So we have this login API here that should be returning some kind of bearer token. but I need to generate that bearer token here. But for that, I guess I need to use one library, but that is from API itself, right? Login, utils, util. Uh, okay, fine. There's nothing. JWT. Yeah, import JWT. JWT dot encoder. Yeah, perfect. This is how it should be. Algorithm, algorithm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh, yeah. Wow. Meanwhile, let me just search fast API rate limiting. Okay. I think it's time to install some packages. That is pi rate limiter, right? Yeah, that's one. What's this? Oh, I think it's in the copy itself. So I'll need to use this pi rate limiter. I don't know why I have this much of commented out code. Anyways, so yeah, from rate limiter duration, rate limiter rate, and this is what I have. Login, chat, rate limiter, rate to duration 2 seconds. Yeah, okay, perfect. So we already have rate limiter now. Perfect. So now we can test this. Rate is 2, duration is how much? Every 5 seconds it should be only once. Oh, but where do we need it, right? First airport matches to UV gone. Okay, could be made. Do we ensure the fast port matches the UV con port? Could not reach to chat. Oh, I forgot to start my. Okay, line number 98. I have some issues. Rate limiter is not defined. Fast API limiter. Huh, another package. Okay, fast API limiter. Perfect. It's working. We go back. Fast airport. Why it's running at port number? Oh, god damn. Why? All right, let's just change front end config only without wasting time. We reload. Ah, perfect. So we have already achieved what we want. We have a rate limiting for our API. Then we need an authentication also. Let's just try to implement that. But yeah, I'm glad that we don't have much to do for rate limiting. Yes. In fact, do we have any extension to Python code formatter? Is it disabled, enabled? Yes, to the extension, alternate, uh, agentic AI. Prettier code formatter. Yeah, that's what we want, right? I think we need this. You okay? Yes, fine. Um, Perfect. Okay, we have rate limiting, and then now we need to add an authentication. Okay. Authentication is using JWT. Plan is to generate a token, generate a token using wait, what? How can I generate this token? JWT. Wait, where is the JWT? Oh, that's for API, right? That is inside API. Okay, util.py login JWT. Okay, yeah, this one. Encode to expire. Yeah, I think I should be creating new util function itself inside the agents. Let me create a folder, new folder, utils. Oh, we already have it. So here, in fact, auth.py, and this is something we have. Let me define one function here, right? Define verify token. Okay, secret key, fine. Define create a token, create access token using data.list. Okay, fine. Data.username. Okay, no, this function I'll be using this just for the username, name. It's just gonna be a string, and then password string. But while using encode to, just encode username. That's it. Password, no, obviously we can't export it. But yeah, obviously we need some libraries to be imported. Yeah, like this. Dot environment, load environment, and then OS JWT. Perfect. Now, whenever I'll have to create this token inside app dot no, not here, inside our agent main.py. So if it's a true, then access token is equal to access token, but I need to import it. Okay, from dot auth create access token. Okay, perfect. Like this. That's how it will be created, and token access token type token is bearer. Fine. If it's not there, nothing. Perfect. Let me try to uh, create a login system. Um, yeah, we will need some UI in order to log in and then forward user to our chat page. That is something we'll need. But for now, for the time being, let's just try to see how this is my postman. Okay, auth body. Okay, fine. It's gonna be post. Was it post? Yeah, it's a post. Send it. Forbidden. Why is it forbidden? Okay, okay. I think it's a login route. Okay. Huh. Okay, okay. Wait, wait, wait. This is not something appropriate. Let me just use a request. Login request depends. Perfect. Now let me start it. Let me restart this. Okay, access token string is not defined. I have a hideout that username and password is not being sent. String is not defined. Name error. String is not defined. Utils string. Yeah, okay. It should be tr. Fine. Okay. Something is there. Login request is not defined. Perfect. Login, then it's not be depend, right? Verify user. Okay. String error. Spawn, prepare. String. Spawn. Login request is not defined. Yeah. Here, what have we used? Hotel ID. String. Okay, okay, okay. I think that's correct, I guess. String, username. Yes, this is correct only. I don't need this. Username string. It's reloading. Okay, now let's just try. Something is wrong here. Okay, still forbidden. Oh, they should be removed. waiting for application to start up. Why? 401. Post method login is a route. Login string username, password. Mm, Startup completed. Why I'm not getting this? This is not even triggering, I guess. 403 forbidden. Not sure why. Login route. Nine zero zero five. Currently running it. So there, those endpoints now is 800. Oh no. Detail unprocessable entity. Missing password is missing. Okay, fine. Uh, Parameters. Password and username. Let's say admin. Then admin. Send internal server error. Something is wrong. Is not defined. Okay, HTTP exception is not defined. No, 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 no. Here. Okay, I've imported required stuff. Response. Perfect. Cancel it. Okay. Okay, fine. We receive this token. Now, whenever we will use any API call further, we'll have to use this token. So for now, let's just accept whatever it is. I think we should be good enough for now. We'll have to obviously add this token into other API calls. So that we will do it later. For now, I think it's fine. But before I go, I would like to change this port number to 9005 again. Perfect. Let's continue that in the next stream. Thank you.